Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about why patterns matter. A lot of beginners notice that something is wrong, but they don't necessarily pay attention to how it was wrong. And that how is often one of the biggest clues. Patterns tell you things. For example, does the issue only happen under heavy use? Does it happen only after startup? Is it only happening on one device? Is this just happening randomly? Those details matter, because they help you stop treating every issue like a giant mystery and start recognizing pattern behaviors. And this is why pattern based thinking is such a big part of good troubleshooting. You're not just asking, hey, what's the problem? You're also asking, when does it happen? Where does it happen? What seems to trigger it? Is it consistent or inconsistent? Patterns create direction. And once you start paying attention to them, many problems begin making more sense. This is one of the biggest differences between a beginner and a more advanced troubleshooter. A beginner often focuses only on the existence of the problem, while an advanced troubleshooter studies the behavior or the patterns of the problem. And this is where many of the best clues live.